the soul. The decrees of the Lord are steadfast. They give wisdom to the simple. Lord, you have the words of eternal life. The precepts of the Lord are right. They gladden the heart. The command of the Lord is clear. It gives light to the eyes. Lord, you have the words of eternal life. The fear of the Lord is pure, abiding forever. The judgments of the Lord are true. They are all of them just. Lord, you have the words of eternal life. They are more to be desired